Just months after Capcom suffered a ransomware attack, the company has now become aware of a phishing campaign that is masquerading as early access invites to the upcoming Resident Evil Village. The phishing emails appear to come from reply@capcom.com, however, they were not sent by Capcom. These malicious emails contain either links or attached files. When the victim interacts with these links or files, they are taken to malicious websites to collect credentials or to download and install malware. It is currently unclear how long the phishing campaign has been operating before Capcom became aware of it and was able to issue a warning to any potentially affected customers and fans. Acronis True Image and Acronis Cyber Cloud keep your data safe with integrated URL filtering to block access to malicious websites and an advanced heuristic engine to stop malware before it can do any harm to your computers.